Breaking news from Russia. The US Embassy in Moscow issues a stark warning of imminent extremist threats just hours after Russian security services claim to have thwarted a planned shooting at a synagogue by a cell linked to the Afghan arm of the Islamic State. The US Embassy in Russia has issued an urgent warning urging all American citizens to leave the country immediately. With reports of imminent extremist threats targeting large gatherings in Moscow, including concerts, people are advised to steer clear of crowded areas and remain vigilant. The war in Ukraine has triggered the deepest crisis in Russia's relations with the West since the 1962 Cuban Missile Crisis. The Kremlin accuses the US of fighting against Russia by supporting Ukraine with money, weapons, and intelligence. The FSB said an Islamic State cell was operating in Russia's Kaluga region as part of the Afghan arm of the group, which is known as ISIS Khorasan, and seeks a caliphate across Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Iran. ISIS Khorasan, also known as ISIS-K, is designated as a terrorist organization by numerous countries and international bodies, including the United Nations Security Council. The group first appeared in eastern Afghanistan in late 2014 and established a reputation for extreme brutality. The FSB reported that the militants were preparing to attack synagogue congregants using firearms. Upon confrontation by Russian special forces, the militants resisted and were neutralized in return fire. Firearms, ammunition, and components for an improvised explosive device were discovered and confiscated by the authorities.